For the first question, we'll look at the textbook definition of boiling point and normal boiling point. The boiling point is the temperature where the vapor pressure of a liquid equals the atmospheric pressure. And the normal boiling point is the temperature where the vapor pressure equals exactly 1 atmosphere. So the boiling point is the same as a normal boiling point when atmospheric pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Boiling occurs when the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. At temperatures when the vapor pressure is a little bit lower than that, that's when we have evaporation. The primary difference is that evaporation, since it has a lower vapor pressure, fewer particles in the gas phase, is going to be a little bit slower. All right, now let's apply that understanding to determine the boiling point of water when the atmospheric pressure is 83.3 kilopascals, which we're told is a reasonable guesstimate for the atmospheric pressure in Denver. So if we start at about 83-ish, it's hard to tell with this scale, and we draw our line over to water, and then a normal line down to the temperature scale. I would guess that this is approximately 95 degrees C. So about 95 degrees C, that's going to be the temperature at which the vapor pressure of water is equal to a standard pressure in Denver, 83.3 kilopascals.